Right, hello everyone. My name is Christian Uche, and we are going to complete our Excel sheet, introduction to Excel sheet in PC101 week 3. Okay. In our last video, we stopped at how to add a chart to from the instruction how to add a chart for date and sales. Okay. So what I did was click on date on the cell date and drag this circle icon or whatever you call it. You can call it a point. Do not use fill. Okay, how to use fill is when you click on a cell and you click again on that cell, you can click on fill, and when you use fill, you notice that the shape changes. The shape can change, and now it has changed to a cube. But no, we don't want to use it. We don't want to use fill, but instead we want to use highlight, so we leave it in the circle. So we're going to highlight everything we have on C1 down to C11. Okay, and the same thing with D. Now, is either we use fill or we edit, but we don't want to edit anything. We want to go to this button here. When we click on it, it opens a dialog. Okay, and when it opens a dialog, we need to scroll and use a chart. So while you are scrolling, you want to make use of the chart. Okay, so let's see what we can do. We need to find something, but nothing is here. There's no chart here. Okay, there are no charts here, but let's check here in the home. What can we find in this place? Oh, we can find some buttons, formulas, insert. We need insert because we need to insert the chart, and then we need to insert the line chart. Okay, so now we have these other ones: shape, pictures, text box. No, we need a chart instead of text box. We need a chart, and we need a line chart. So we have column, pie. No, we need a line chart. And the line chart, we have this one. We have different kinds of line chart here, so we're going to pick one. But if you are asked to use other charts, okay, no, let's go back. If you are asked to use other charts, it can change. Okay, so we need a line chart. Then if you click on this chart, let's make use of this chart. Now you'll notice that you have type of charts, type. We need line, which we choose already. Already chosen that. So this is the chart now. So let's drop this down. So when we drop that down, we have our line chart. Okay. Oh no. So you can go one step backward because I just touched that. You can click on this step backward. One step backward. One step backward. One step backward. Okay. One step backward will take you to where we stop. So let's go back again. Click on home, click on insert, and then look for a chart. Click on line chart, choose a line chart. Okay, now that we've chosen a line chart, let's try to add something. You can delete if you don't want it. Don't dismiss type job now. So you can reduce the chart if you want to reduce that chart. It's gonna reduce if you want to reduce it. Now we want to keep this chart on that. You can keep it anywhere you want to keep it. Okay, you want to keep it anywhere. I want to keep it over here, so I just need to drag it. So I just zoom out. Okay, so that I can move the chart. So to move the chart, to move this chart, okay, you can put your thumbs on it. Okay, put your thumbs on it steady, so that you can move the chart where you want it to be. So I want my own to be here. Okay, I want it to be there. So when I zoom in, so that I can see more clearly, you can see sales. So this is the chart. So you can add other things. If I click on this chart, I can add some other things to the chart. Okay, maybe I want to add I don't want to change that. So I can add whatsoever I want to add in this chart. Maybe let's try to see if we can add different types of style. You can choose a style over here. Okay, I can choose the style for my chart. Okay, so when you are done, that is what you are asked to do in the instruction, to add a style. So once we are done, we can save this file. Okay, if you notice, you can click here and click save. Okay, so save, then I can go back. Well, the reason why I might not think of saving it, because it is actually on auto save. Okay, it is saving automatically. So everything we have been doing has been saving automatically. So we are done with this job. We have our name, and we were able to sum everything with the device, and were able to find the discount. The discount was the discount. You can also check the formula by clicking on this part. Oh, this sheet is protected. Oh, no problem. So you can click on this part. You will see the formula I use. I use an absolute referencing because of on the discount we have 35%, and it is only that cell. So to absolutely reference that cell, it is on F2. We need to use the dollar sign in front of it, so that we are going to tell Excel that everything we are multiplying from the price, we want to multiply it to only the cell. So that's why we use absolute referencing. And we use J2 because if you click on other places, if you click on another cell, you will notice that another cell is on J6. It is always multiplying with F2 on the absolute reference. Okay, so that is how to do assignment. And when you are done, you are good to go. Now let's submit our assignment for Excel. Now to look for this cell, you need to let me check the time. So we are okay. So to submit this, you are going to see submit assignment. You're not going to see resubmit. Okay, I already submitted this assignment. Click on submit. Look for the file you want to submit under Excel. So I'm already there because I'm already telling Canvas to always look for my assignments inside Zender. Okay, but if you are not there, you go back to this place. Make sure that your work, you're not clicking on document, because you cannot save your job in document, but instead we save it on the device. My own is TechnoSpark 90, your own might be itel, your own might be TechnoSpark 20, your own might be Samsung. So but just click on that storage, because that will save our job. For me, I did not save it in any of this folder, but instead I saved it in Zender. So when I click on Zender, I'm going to see my spreadsheet here. Because I rename my file, I have Christian spreadsheet. I'll click on that and I click on submit. Then my work is being submitted. Thank you very much for watching, and I know that when we strive to do our assignments, we can get good grade. And when you strive to submit your assignment on time, you will not have any deduction. I know these things to be very true. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.